It's Matt Haistings. I'm a real estate agent in Plano, Texas, and this is your February 2022 Plano Market Update. I am shocked and surprised by the stats that came out this month. However, before we jump right in, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe below. So let's take a look at what happened last month, January 2022, in Plano real estate. Well, first of all, there were only 152 single-family homes that were sold. That is down significantly from December, and it's really the lowest I've seen in terms of homes sold. I'm not worried about that though, because there really weren't a lot of homes listed for sale, so buyers snatched up everything that came on the market. One thing that's really amazing is how high the sold price climbed. Median sold price was $467,700. So that's just a couple $1,000s shy of our high median price for last year. Now, we saw that the sold to list ratio came in at 102%, meaning half of a home sold for 2% or more above the original list price. And then homes were still selling relatively quickly. Median days on market was 7.5, so it took about a week for homes to get under contract. So that's the Plano market overall. Now I want to take a look at what happened in each of the neighborhoods in Plano. We start over here on the west side of Plano. There were 44 single family homes that sold at a median sold price of $727,500, so quite high, though we did see homes sell for basically their list price, and it took around 11-12 days for those homes to sell. Moving to central Plano, there were 87 single family homes that sold at a median sold price of $450,000. Now we did see buyers tend to bid those homes up with the sold to list ratio of 104%, and they sold relatively quickly at 6 days on market. In terms of East Plano, we saw 21 single family homes sell at a median sold price of $367,000. Those homes also tended to be bid up with a sold to list ratio of 103%. So for the last few months, I've been sharing with you those stats on each neighborhood of Plano. I want to hear what you think about that. What are your thoughts on those trends? And do you like having that information? Leave a comment below so I can tailor these reports for you moving forward. Now let's shift gears and talk a little bit about the inventory. Well, it's just that. There's a little bit of inventory. It's kind of even scary. There are 48 single family homes for sale moving into the month of February. So that's even fewer than we started the year at. With this few homes for sale, I think we're gonna see some crazy buyer behavior, and I think those stats we covered just a moment ago are gonna continue to climb up. Now, every month I like to show you this chart about how it breaks down by price point. As you can see, there's not a lot of inventory in any price point. A little more wiggle room in the luxury, $1 million plus. The other piece though here that's a little misleading about the chart is it looks like there's a lot of homes below $250,000. The reality is that price point is going away, and what you're seeing there is just a couple homes for sale. Historically, we haven't seen many sell because they're going away. This month there's a couple, so it looks like there's a lot of supply. There's really just two. So let's shift gears and talk a little bit about what it means to be a homeowner or home seller in this market. With home values rising, it means your home equity is rising too. That's a great position to be in. I think if you're thinking about selling in 2022, my advice would be don't wait. With so much leverage right now as a seller and so little competition, you're gonna basically get whatever you want. I do anticipate there's gonna be more inventory in the spring. I'm not saying it's gonna become a huge buyer's market, but you might find that you have to compete with another seller to get the best, most attractive offer for your home. So think about that. Like if you're in the position to sell sooner, I would take advantage of that. I want to show you another chart here. I've shown this before, and I break down that sold to list ratio across different price points. Yes, the median sold to list is 102%. So half of all sellers are getting 2% or more. But look at the top quarter, look at the top 10%. They're getting a significant amount more for their home. And when you think about median sold prices in Plano, that could be $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 more money in your pocket by taking advantage of the opportunity to prepare your home for sale, to create emotional impact with buyers, and so that they really resonate with your home and are willing to pay that premium to outbid the competition for your house. So let's talk about if you're thinking about buying a home right now in Plano or in the surrounding area. Look, it's tough. There's competition and you're gonna have to play to win. One perspective I would bring to you though is, what if I tell you it's really a buyer's market? That these prices are going to continue to rise, that we're going to have a strong market for the next 2, 3, 4 years. And that 2 years from now, when you look back, you'll be like, I got a steal on that house. It went up so much in value. I have so much equity. That was a great decision. Because that's what I think is going to happen for buyers who buy now. I can already tell you it's happened for buyers who bought last year. So maybe bring that perspective with you and then come out there on the playing field and compete to win. One thing I'm wanting to do and asking of all my buyers is to have a buyer's consultation, to have a strategy session where we sit down, we talk about your goals, get very clear on what you want in the house, understand your financing, your cash position, and then we can be really strategic about the homes we offer on and the homes we go and tour. And I find that those people who are willing to make that small investment investment of time up front, have a much easier, much better search. So let's talk about that for you. So that's your February 2022 market update for Plano, Texas. Can you believe we're already 1/12 of the way through the year? I'm shocked, and we're off to the races. It's gonna be a great year in real estate. If you wanna talk about what's going on in your neighborhood, in your community, reach out. I'd love to have that one-on-one conversation with you. In the meantime, stay safe and have fun. Thanks for watching today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe below. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. And in the meantime, make sure to check out some of our other videos featured on our channel.